Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from the Bead Chest. I've ordered from them a couple times, and I'm really excited. They have good African beads and Java glass, so I wanted, they had some stuff that I was really interested in. And look, they packaged them in bead burritos. So that makes it more fun. It's like opening Christmas presents. So let's bust into these. I don't know what's in what. Oh, okay. Like this was a last minute add to my order. And I think it was ceramic. I'm not 100% sure. So they called these Amazonite ceramic, I think, like just because of the color. They're actually pretty dark green compared to what they looked like on the site. So I'm a little surprised at the color, but it's a longer strand than I was expecting. I guess I wasn't paying attention to that. So that's awesome that I get more beads. Looks like it's got a pretty, it's got about maybe like a 1 millimeter, maybe 1.5 millimeters hole. These are okay. I don't know that I would buy them again, but I know that I'll use them in a really nice product. See, I say that because that one time when I bought the Java glass that I didn't really love when they showed up, they ended up being my favorites once I got them into a bracelet. So those Halloween bracelets. So I'm going to reserve my judgment on these because I think they're pretty cool. They've got a weird texture. I think they're neat. They're nice rondelles. They look kind of like bone, but I think they're either ceramic or stone. So, interesting. I'll leave a link below. Next, bead burrito. Let's see what's in here. These were on sale. And, you know, they're a little bit smaller than I thought they would be. I thought they were going to be like regular Ashanti bead size, but they're just a little bit smaller than that. They're still really nice. They're African fused glass beads. So they're pretty cool. Red, orange, and blue. These are nice. These remind me of retro Cavs colors from Ohio when I was a kid. It was orange and blue. I don't know what colors they have now. But, yeah, those are neat. Yeah, they were on sale. That's why I got them. Love them. And then in this bead burrito, we have some more African glass in yellow. I don't think I have this color. I know I have it in blue and white, but I just love the yellow. You know, if I find a good yellow bead, I'm all over it because it's hard to find good yellow. It's hard to find good yellow and it's hard to find good purple. But yeah, these were really nice. Beautiful sunshiny color. Gorgeous. And then the last thing in this bead burrito are these teeny tiny Rondelle beads. They're Java glass, I think. And they're like a terracotta color. I'm pretty obsessed with terracotta color. I've been making my own beads too. And one of my favorite colors to do is terracotta. So these are gorgeous, like a darker orange. And they're teeny tiny. I got these in pink the last time I ordered from them. So those are fun. And then it looks like there's one more bead burrito. Okay, so these are called Amazonite Moroccan Pottery Bead Rondelles. Interesting. So they're Moroccan pottery. They're not stone. Oh yes. So I saw these on their site and I was so excited because I have them in the Ashanti size. They have these in two other sizes. These are 11 millimeter. They had them, I think, in 14 and 18. But I just love how bright blue that is. It reminds me of dishes we had when I was a kid. They weren't crazy like this, but they had that blue. So I just really love that look. Oh, that looks nice with the yellow too. Oh, these two would be nice stacked on top of each other with a bracelet. Yummy. And then I got a pale yellow recycled glass. These look like little candies, little bonbons, little lemon bonbons. They are yellow. They're kind of washed out on the screen. They're very pale, but from what I'm seeing, they're a little bit darker than my camera screen is showing. They're gorgeous. You know, I haven't seen yellow like this before. Not opaque. They have a lot of translucent yellow beads for recycled glass, but it's hard to find the opaque colors. And it seemed like Bead Chest had a lot of them. And then I got these gray beads. So These are more charcoal. I was looking for maybe a little bit lighter gray, but they're really cool. They look nice with the yellow too. So I'm very excited, very happy with my order. If you're interested in anything you saw, I'm going to put links below, and let me know what your favorite was. My favorite, I would say, is the blue and the tiny orange. So love those. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi. Oh. Hello. Hi, babe. Hi, cutie. Mommy loves you. Yeah, your mommy loves you. Oh, you're so close I can't focus on you. You're so funny. Aw, good girl.